be free. I was born to be free.
Maybe we could stay and make a home. It's written on my heart.
Let me lower this. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing today? Let me check the chat. What's up, y'all? Yo, guys, as always, my friends, we need to know how the levels are. Please let me know how my levels are. In the meantime, I'm gonna hit y'all with some good mornings. Let's check who's in the chat. Good morning, Jeff with the Golden Nuggets. Good morning, God. Good morning, Quest D. Good morning, Nick Rame Ose. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. God has the idea. Like the stream before we start. Thank you very much. Oh, that's my own comment. Good morning to myself. Good morning, Jay Edwards. The code is 6969. I'm just kidding. It's not. But good morning. How are the levels, guys? Talk to me. Good morning, Hoser. Good morning, Young How. Steven Stewart. Good afternoon, sir. What's up, Mr. FaZe, my dog? What's too high? The music is too high? I can lower the music. I'm kind of screaming. It's so loud in my ear. I don't know if it's loud in your ear and I'm screaming. Guys, listen, we have so much to talk about today. But before we do that, and I wanted to get all the good mornings. Listen, bot is down. Okay, bot is down because obviously I'm streaming. and I need the firepower for the stream. But hear me out. I'm gonna turn this heater off next to me because this stream is about to be hella fire. Guys, do I sound better today? Low volume on the mic. The mic should be good. Am I better now? Yo, Hoser, bro. As my YouTube moderator, I am officially making you my mixing engineer. And after, like, every stream, I need you to tell me right away. Mic is really quiet. Okay, let's turn it up. Guys, I need y'all to be specific. Is the music too loud? Is the mic too loud? I'm still new at this. I'm still learning my levels. But you guys got to give me the sauce quick because we got some sauce to talk about. I got to update y'all. Shouts out to everybody in the Discord. Man, I don't know. 10 seconds of streaming and I'm already losing my voice. Okay, it's better now. All right, well, good morning, everybody. Much better. Beautiful. Volume is good. What's up, Quest? How you doing? Vincent, buenos dias. How are you, sir? Okay. Guys, we have a lot to talk about. A lot to talk about today. I'm going to lower the volume. Yeah, Playboy, are we going up or down? Yes. My answer is yes. Poser, what I mean is, like, right at the beginning of every stream, I'm gonna, like, my eyes are gonna glue to your comment more because everyone tells me stuff at different times. If you tell me it's good, I'll say it's good. Mic loud, music low. No, I want the music to be decent. I want this to be a fun stream. Okay, I'm gonna stick with this. Your mic is at 90, my music's at 15. Okay, we gotta fix that, man. We gotta fix that. All right, guys, listen. Enough about that. I'm gonna check the comments and we're gonna buffer it. I didn't have any sleep last night. If you were in my Discord last night, then you know that I was up literally all night with you guys at 3, 4, 5 a.m. I've been up since 3 a.m. So my shades are staying on because I look so tired. But in other news that doesn't concern you guys, my standing desk and my treadmill comes today, so I'm super excited for that. So expect some walking streams. But anyways, listen, that's not why you're here. We're going to talk about Bitcoin today. We're going to talk about altcoins. We're going to talk about where I think the market is going. We're going to talk about CVD. We're going to talk about this fight, man, because... And there's a big move coming, and it's going to come sooner than later. So, let's talk about it. Let me see this here. Can you tell us when to trade Bitcoin, when to trade alts? How do we know what to trade? Sure, let me answer that question real quick, and then we'll dive right in. Very quickly. If you come to BTC.D on CryptoCap, it's Bitcoin dominance, essentially. When Bitcoin dominance is up, the Bitcoin will move more than the alts will move. Okay, when Bitcoin is when dominance is decreasing while Bitcoin is ranging sideways, it is time to trade alts because that is when arguably alts will make a run, especially after what happened, right? Bitcoin made a huge run up in the last couple weeks, right? Huge run up. And if we continue to range as we're ranging, and I said this in my video, meanwhile dominance starts to drop, then we'll get an alt season. Alts will start to fly. Music is so loud. Okay, it should be good now, man. It should be good now. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so if Bitcoin is going sideways and dominance is dropping, it's time to trade alts. If dominance is up and you think that the market's going to go down, you can short Bitcoin, but alts will bleed. Is that right? Yeah, alts will bleed. Alts will bleed more than Bitcoin. I believe that's right. But you got to watch dominance is your short answer. Okay, let's talk about what's going on. Everybody in the Discord, you guys know that I've been paying attention to ETH lately, right? We longed ETH around where we are now, a little bit lower. We took it up to 1860, and then we didn't short from there, but we closed our long from there, so we're in super profit, and now we're short. These positions, guys, the one on the left, oh, I guess my left also. The 270 is my Bitcoin short from, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is not the one. I have another short from the exact high. I have a short from here, from 35,068. Right here, I have a short from right there. That's not this percentage that you're seeing. I shorted again. Where is this entry? I was averaging down on this entry. So this entry is 34331. 34331. Right up here. I shorted on this wick right here. Is where I shorted. And that's the position you're seeing on the left. The right position is my Ethereum position, which is short from, again, averaging in. Oh, that's not the right one either. Where is this ETH one? My voice is low, music is fine. Oh my days, guys. How? It's just so loud, bro. It's like almost clipping. Okay. I feel like Bitcoin is going to dump. Perhaps, man, perhaps. Anyways, enough about my positions. Those are my percentages, okay? They're both short positions. And we're going to talk about where the market is going. Where I think the market's going. So, let's recap real quick since yesterday. Not really much has happened, okay? We're obviously in this larger range. Let's get rid of these boxes and stuff. And let's talk real quick. Let us chat, man. Let's chat. What? There we go. Okay. So, we have our range. Actually, let me pull that back up. Let me just hide this. Just hide that. Okay. So we have our range. We're gonna hide all the boxes and the lines and whatever. I only want the okay. So this is our range, okay? Very clear, very concise. We see it, right? I mean, it's not really concise. It's a huge range. From when we put in the low after the huge pump. So from 32.5 to 35.7. So 2.5 grand, okay? 2.5 grand range that we're in right now. It's a 10-minute range, 15-minute range, whatever. Now, this is what's been happening, and this is why a big move is coming. First of all, I don't do this. I don't draw trend lines like this, as you may know. If you're returning. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. But let's take a look at what's been happening. I'm not doing this to draw a trend line. I'm doing this to illustrate to you what's been happening very clearly. We have just been putting in higher lows, not sweeping any liquidity, and higher and lower highs, again, not sweeping any liquidity. Within this range, we actually have a couple of ranges. We have this range as well, from this high to this low. So this could also be considered a range, which is what we're primarily, I guess, like, looking at. And within this little sub-range, in the past day, we are in this range here. Seriously, I always do that. I don't know why I pull the long tool. Okay, we are in this little range here. And if you look at the, can you take us back to the time I took the Ethereum short? Yeah, I will. Okay, so these are our ranges right now. Super, like, kind of goofy looking. And if you look, really, nothing's been tested on either direction. Okay? Either direction, nothing's been tested. There's a lot of orders being accumulated in this zone. And there's, prices being pushed down when we come to these highs. Prices being kept up when we're coming to these lows. And we're going to talk about which way I think we're going to go. We're going to talk about why I'm primarily in my short position. I am also in longs from lower that I am holding as hedge. Okay. But, obviously, I give you guys updates in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, make sure you click the link in the description and join the Discord. And we'll go to that. But these are our ranges right now. And we're not grabbing any liquidity. Nothing. The high was put in, like, the first high that was put in was not taken. The first low that was put in on this range was not taken. Here, the first low that we put in was not taken. The first high that we put in was not taken. AKA, there is a lot of liquidity being accumulated on both directions. Both sides. There's a lot of liquidity there. There's a lot of liquidity here. Right? The lows look ugly and the highs look ugly. Here, we could draw the same. A lot of liquidity here. Right? Lots of liquidity there. And a lot of liquidity below us. So what typically happens? What typically happens when... Let's get rid of all these lines because you guys get the point. So what typically happens when this happens? Let's zoom into this smaller range right now, okay? Forget the larger stuff because the same stuff applies. We're going to delete our ranges because we know what they are, right? Let's discuss this little mini range here first. Range theory, and you can draw your fixed range volume profile on any range, right? So range theory suggests, but we're not going to do that, but range theory suggests that when we're at the highs, we're looking for shorts. When we're at the lows, we're looking for longs. What we can do is we can draw a fib tool as we have here, and we can add in a few numbers. We can add in the 0, the 25, the 50, the 75, and the 100. What we consider in these zones, when we're at the highs, we're considered in premium, right? So this is premium, and when we're at the lows, this is considered discount. When we're at the top 25%, this is super premium, and when we're at the lows, this is super discount. Now, these are terms that I created. Okay, the super discount, super premium part. But full disclosure, this was learned from White Phoenix. Anyways, when we're at the lows, we should be looking for longs, and when we're at the highs, we should be looking for shorts until eventually the range breaks. And as you can see, it's been respected. Usually what happens is we rotate the low to the high, the low to the high, the low to the high. And we've been respecting this little mini range. Now, overnight, we've had a few attempts to come down lower, and we've been unsuccessful in putting in lower lows until really this point now where we're starting to get candle closes below 33.9. Okay, if we're following market structure, we now have a bearish break of structure on the 5-minute time frame. Actually, this is our structure on the 5. We have, let me get my highlighter. We have low, low, high, low, high, low, high. We broke bearish there. Actually, yeah, it's been bearish. But anyways, not the point. Here, it doesn't matter going all the way back there. It doesn't matter. Right here, we have a break of structure to the downside. Meaning that we can now target this high, and meaning that this high is a protected high. For that reason, number one, I'm already expecting lower. Okay, we're going to talk about Market Cipher. We're going to talk about the divergences that we're currently having. We're going to talk about high time frame. We're going to talk about low time frame. We're going to talk about CVD and open interest as well. But right now, just based on market structure alone, because we're starting to get closes below, we can expect to potentially sweep these lows. Now, I was saying in my Discord overnight, not on Bitcoin, but Ethereum is the same. I was saying I don't see a world where we don't come for these lows. What do we know about ranges? We know that they like to sweep the lows, and they eventually extend the range out. So what they will do is they will sweep the low, and then we will move our range to wherever the new low is, and that will become our new range. Okay? And then we do the same for the highs. There's a lot of liquidity above us. There's a lot of liquidity below us. Now let's take a look at open interest. Open interest in this little range, the same range that we had before, right? This little range right here. Oh, that is an ugly fib. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm too lazy to do that. From this range, right? Same range. Same exact range that we had before that we were looking at. And same thing on the 5-minute time frame. Remember, the market maker's job is to pique your interest as the retail trader in the market, right? Market maker, I'm going to make this yellow. I don't like it blue. Market maker's job is to pique your interest in the market. How do we know if the market maker is doing his job correctly? If open interest is increasing over time, then market maker is doing his job. Okay? If you don't know what open interest is whether or not new positions or whether or not new positions are entering the market. If open interest is increasing, then new positions are opening. If open interest is decreasing, then positions are closing. Okay? It's just a relation. That's a better way to explain it. Somebody clip this, write it down. Open interest increasing are positions opening. Open interest decreasing are positions closing. Okay? Period. So especially when we are range bound, if you think about it logically, what is happening, right? Whoever is running the markets, aka the market maker, is manipulating the range and building his positions to eventually run price in a certain direction and grab a profit. So what can we see now relative to CVD and open interest? Well, open interest is increasing, so we know that market maker is doing his job. And if we look, we actually have, let's take from the lows. As of now, we actually technically have bullish CVD. Okay. We have bullish CVD. This is absorption because open interest is increasing and more shorts are opening, but price is not going lower. So we actually have bullish CVD as of right now. Now, the thing with CVD, okay, the thing with CVD is CVD technically is leading. CVD is bullish in this case until it isn't. So if we come down and we sweep the low, then CVD will look like this. Right? It would look something like that. Let's make this white again. It will look something like that. What am I doing? It will look something like this again if we end up sweeping the low, and then it will not be bearish anymore. Right now it is, or sorry, bullish anymore. Right now it is, but if it takes the low, it will not be. So CVD is important to use as a tool for confluence, as opposed to just saying, okay, CVD is bullish, let's long it, right? It's not uncommon for CVD to just sweep down and then come back up, okay? And that's where Market Cipher is going to be taken into consideration. We're going to talk Market Cipher, but we need to understand the context of CVD. You should go live with your mod on Discord to check your audio levels, only because the YouTube comments lag and you might have to change your mind. Yeah, I mean, you're not wrong. Once I get it though, like, I'll get it down eventually. I'll go back to the Ethereum trade in a second. Where did I learn how to trade, or did I learn it all by myself? So I learned, actually, I took Jason Kasper's course, and then I like learned from that, and then I just like kept practicing, really. Okay, so that's CVD. Let's go back to our charts, right? Now, what do we see with Market Cipher? We are getting bullish divergences on the shorter term time frames, like the 5-minute and such, right? Over time, you can see very clearly that we have money flow increasing. Or sorry, that price is increasing. Or money flow is increasing over time, sorry. Money flow is increasing over time. Okay, on the 10, let's check the 15. Still, money flow is increasing over time. And you can see even with our momentum waves, the waves are getting higher, right? But the waves are also getting lower at the same time. So when we drew this retail triangle that I don't like to draw, but it's more so to just illustrate to you what's happening. When we drew that, our Market Cipher B is also doing the exact same thing. What does that mean? It means kind of Market Cipher is useless in this moment, if I'm being real with you. But what it means is, if we get the move to the downside, we can strongly, we can believe with confidence that we will actually, like, we won't break the range, like the overall range completely to the downside. We will fake down and then come back up. Right? Because right now, as it currently is right now, if you guys are watching this video later and nothing has happened in like 5 hours and then it changes, don't go back and say, yo, Gio said this. No. As of right now, money flow is increasing over time. So if we come down, we will have a money flow divergence, which are obviously the strongest types of divergences. Now, I favor coming down. Okay? I favor down for a few reasons, and we're going to talk about it. But now let's zoom out of this little mini scalping range, and let's come back to our bigger range. If I know how to click the right thing. I don't know what my brain is doing right now. Okay. Let's come back to, and let's hide this box for now. We'll come back to it. Let's come back to this range here. If we come in the higher term time frame, we can see money flows clearly coming down, right? Money flows coming down. We also had, was it on this chart? We had a bearish divergence somewhere. Where are my bear divs? Okay, I guess we actually didn't have any bear. Oh, here. Here. Okay, so we're on the 30, right? We put in a high. Then we put in a higher high, but money flow was coming out of Bitcoin, giving us a money flow divergence, aka the most powerful type of divergence when it comes to Market Cipher B. This could lead to a very significant move to the downside. Although I told you that, you know, the momentum waves are kind of making a triangle as well. If we look at the overall trend, you can see more so that the waves are coming down over time, right? Where on the upside, it's only doing this. So momentum still, in this kind of time frame, is still more likely to come down. We never broke below the value area low yet, and we never took all of this liquidity. So what I think may happen, and I believe I drew this on the Discord, in the Discord earlier today. Same idea. This is Ethereum, but same idea. Same thing as Bitcoin. Ethereum's going to do the same thing that Bitcoin does. I drew something like this, where money flow would be increasing over time, yet we are getting a bearish or a bullish divergence with the waves, and we are sweeping the lows. Okay? Ethereum's low, we're a lot closer to Ethereum's range low than we are to Bitcoin's range low. What does that mean? Remember how I drew multiple ranges? That means that we can come to our sort of more internal range and treat this as a primary range, right? We'll hide this other one. For now, we will treat this as our primary range. Let's hide our value area as well. We will treat this as our primary range. It'll be actually from this high. Actually, it would be from this high. Same high to this low that we put in. We treat this as our primary range because we know Ethereum and Bitcoin work in tandem. Oh, by the way, when I was talking about the divergences, actually Ethereum gave us the divs. That's what I was looking at because I've been trading ETH lately. But same idea. Bitcoin and Ethereum work in tandem. Okay? So if Ethereum gave us a divergence as it did, you can best believe that Bitcoin will likely follow its direction. Okay? And we know range theory. The range was originally like this, and then we SFP'd the high, which means we're likely to come for the low. So we already SFP'd the high on ETH. Now it makes sense to SFP the low. Okay? Well, let's come back. So this is how you can use Bitcoin and Ethereum as confluence with each other. Guys, if you haven't liked the stream yet, please do me a favor and hit the like button for me. 59, 60 people in the stream, and we got 31 likes. Let's see if we can get the likes up, please and thank you. All right. So if BTC and ETH work in tandem, and ETH SFP'd the high, it's likely that we come for the lows on ETH. It's likely that we get our retracement on Bitcoin as well, and we absolutely like have/are. Now these are not the prettiest highs, as I mentioned. There's a lot of liquidity, right? If we draw our curve tool, you can see clearly that there is liquidity there, and CVD being bullish right now suggests that we may come up and sweep all this liquidity. So it's very possible, and that is why yesterday in my VIP Discord I said this. We're talking ETH, but it's the same thing. Let's build our narrative, taking the high again as possible. We will assess it if we will come up, whatever. And I drew this. That even though money flow is coming down, we may actually get bearish divergences instead of looking for our bullish divergences currently, right? Same idea on Bitcoin. Same thing. So what I would like to see is at the very least, come and sweep this low here at the very least, because it's not really about that low. Let me make this my SFP line. It's not really about this low. It's more so these lows. And because we are close to the low, although we should be looking for longs, the best long you can find right now in this little mini range is an SFP. So, and this is a close enough wick. So we will be watching this wick. We will be watching to take these lows, and we would prefer that we take these lows. Now we also have a red vector candle coming down, right? So it is to suggest that we will make our way back up. No one's disputing it. But the question is, how low can we go before we come back up? And I would very much like to see a sweep of the lows. Alternatively, when we come to the highs of this little mini range, it's the same deal. I want to see a sweep of the highs. So whichever way it goes, whether it's down first and then up, or up first and then down, I want to see a sweep of the highs or the lows, because this looks ugly. Now, the reason I prefer down first, aside from the fact that our market cipher B is telling us clearly that we can have a significant move to the downside, we already swept the highs. We haven't swept the lows. If we come down and we sweep the lows first, and we catch the long from wherever it may be, we have a clear direction as to where price can go, right? Let's just say we hit the low first, then we can come and target this high. If we come up first, although yes, we have direction to the low that we can come and grab, when Bitcoin has this habit of like, kind of when it should go down after a huge move up, it just kind of does nothing. And so I think that if we come down, we have a higher chance to come up. And then if we come up and we're looking at the higher term time frames, it makes sense for this green dot to clip, and then we come and we take the high again and potentially come to our long-term target of like 38 to 40K. So for me, for an actual real move continued to the upside, I prefer to come down and grab some liquidity first and then come up for the liquidity, as opposed to up then down, because I think that whichever way we go is going to be the fake out. Whether we go up first, I think that's going to be the fake out, or we go down first, I think that's going to be the fake out, right? If we come up first, then I probably believe that we're going to come and take the low, and then I don't think we're going to come back up. I think we're going to go whoop. And then what does it mean when we go whoop? There's your Bart Simpson pattern, right? But right now, because we're so close to the lows, I just want a fast liquidity sweep. And we've been being teased. They've been teasing us for so long in this range now that, you know, no bueno. I don't like it. I'm not a fan of it. I want to see some action. And because we're closer to the low, I want to see that sweep. Because the 30 looks like it's going down, I want to see that sweep. Because the 1 hour looks like it's going down, I want to see that sweep. Right? 2 hour, we have the red dot. Money flow's coming out. Cool. It's not so, it's kind of more neutral than bearish, I would say. Let's see where we are relative to our EMAs now. And then I'll look at your comments here real quick. So right now, this is good confluence with, if you've seen my Vector Candles Part 2 video, then you know that this is going to be, if we come down, it is a 2 hour retracement vector candle, aka not an expansion vector. Which means we can expect to expand away from the EMA after we get this retracement vector, if it's a red vector, which it is. So if we get a fake out to the downside and it's still a red vector, which it will be, then this adds confluence that we will fake the low and then come to the high. Right? So that's, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Very good video. Nonetheless, you can see the 1 hour is starting to give us the red vector within the cloud, within the 50 EMA. Perhaps just being a neutral candle. But we may start to get that shift towards the downside. But the quicker it is, the better it is. Because the quicker it is, the more of a fake out it might be. And then we can come and take the highs, giving us confluence with this very thick green money flow on the higher term time frames. 1 second, guys. I think my stuff might be here. Guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. Woo. Man, I'm sweating from that. Okay, my desk is here. The treadmill is not here yet, but it's coming, boys. It's coming. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Woo! Okay. All right. So you guys know how I just built that narrative right there. And I always talk about building narratives, right? We have liquidity to the down. We have liquidity to the up. Right now, money's coming out. And we're close to the lows. We are favoring a sweep of the lows. Where can we come to? I'm going to talk about our targets for Bitcoin. And then I'm going to talk about... We're going to talk ETH, and I'm going to answer your questions and stuff. Guys, I'm out of breath from that, man. Let's go shades back on. Let's be cool right now. Let's be coolin'. All right. Oh, man, I can't see anything. I take that back. I literally can't see anything. Okay. Whew. I need a sec, man. I need to catch my breath. I'll do an unboxing for the Discord. So if you're new here, make sure you join the Discord. The link is in the description down below. Also, guys, while I catch my breath, and I need to catch my breath, link is down below. You guys like that transition? I got good at it. I got good at it. I got good at it. Okay. What can we expect now? Let's talk about it. Okay, real quick, because this might happen quick. The raw value area low, we're underneath the EMAs on the midterm time frames, whatever. We already know that. That's easy work. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my videos, because I have so many free tutorials for you. Okay. Let us, X-nay the larger range for now. Okay. What can we look at? If we take the range low to the range high and we pull and we make it a 618, we come to around this area here. Right? We come to around that area there. In addition, we got these SFPs that we can come and take. And I believe we have some daily levels. No. Weekly, no. Monthly, no. Man, I gotta clean up my charts. I got to clean up my charts, man. I look so innocent. What's in the box? Okay. Okay, this box makes sense because we can SFP this low. Right? We also got to watch for these levels down here. I think I did a good job on ETH. Let me check ETH. My ETH TA. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I've been trading ETH a lot more than I've been trading Bitcoin lately. Man, where are my zones? Let me check the Discord. Did I give you guys my levels? Yeah, here. Yeah. So this is where I'm looking at for Bitcoin. For BTC coin. I want to come down and take this. Either come in this box. So this is what I want. I either want to come down and SFP just this one line. Something like this. Or I want to come down and take this low here. Really, anywhere in this box is a long zone. So that is 33.5 to 33.1. I realized it's kind of a large range. Okay, I realize that. We will narrow down this range together. We'll look at order blocks and such like now. But ideally, I want to at least take this low. Perhaps SFP into this golden pocket and then bounce, or SFP below this low and then bounce. And let's find out right now exactly where we want to bounce from. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of our little mini range. Screw that. We don't need that extra nonsense. Okay, let's take a look now. So if we take a golden pocket from the low, from the low to the high in chronological order, right? It has to go from left to right. Here's our golden pocket 618, which is our zone, right? We're going to look at order blocks, but this box is our golden pocket 618. Cool. If we take from the what a lot of people may consider a swing low down to the high, we have our 786. Look, we're actually at the golden pocket right now. But we have our 786 area confluence with the high. So right now, we can already narrow this box down. We'll put a second box there. We'll make that green blue. We'll raise our box here. Okay? So we have our golden pocket confluence with our 786 and our SFP level. So really, this is our box now. We just narrowed it down. We're going to go into order blocks and stuff. I'm going to show you guys live how I do this. And if you haven't seen yesterday's stream, yesterday I did a really good example. I gave you guys real good examples live on how I think. Because we traded live yesterday. Okay? So come down, grab all this liquidity right into the golden pocket 786. Sounds like a good trade to me. Do I have these on my chart? I feel like I should. I got to clean up my chart, man. Okay. So let's write it. We got GP plus 786 plus SFPs. Okay, we got those levels. We're gonna check order blocks and stuff now soon. We're gonna check all that. Okay. What else we got? This is our 786. Let me check. Do we have any dailies? I didn't even do TA on Bitcoin today. Let's check if we got any daily levels. Okay, we got a daily there. We do not have a daily on the low, but real quick, let's check our previous day range. Okay, nothing really notable. Nothing really notable. Cool, that's fine. So this is a problem, man. We haven't taken any lows. Like if I wipe the chart clean, like look at how we just have this. This is so ugly, like so ugly. And same with the down, right? There's our triangle on the daily. It's so ugly. The past like 5 days, 6 days have just been like horrible. Anyways, let's come back to our range here. Let's keep building our narrative. So if we come down, I want to see a bounce from somewhere around here. If we don't take this, then I want to see an SFP here. So this is macro 76 plus SFP. No dailies, nothing notable. It's actually looking like we might continue our way up, which we'll get targets for the highs as well. Okay. So these are the trades I'm looking at. And then obviously like an SFP of the low down here. And where am I looking at? 2 SFP the low. Perfect SFP right here into the golden pocket. Right? Do we have any dailies, weeklies, monthlies there? No. No, we do not. But here we have a daily and a 786. And again, we're going to find order blocks in a second here. Yeah, these are where I'm looking at right now. So this is GP plus SFP. Good place to bounce here. Very, very high probability right here. And then this is macro 786 plus daily. Or we'll go daily first. Daily plus macro 786. So these are our zones to the downside that I'm looking at. Okay, we're going to find order blocks and stuff when we get there. Now, to the upside. Let's come back to our range, to our 15. Obviously, we can SFP these highs. We're not going to look too much into that right now. I want to talk more macro. Not macro, but like range. So here's our GP7. All right, we got our GP7 up there. We take from this high. Where's the high? This high here. To its recent low. We got GP7 again. So this is what I would look for, actually. Like this. And again, we're going to find order blocks. $786 plus SFP. GP7 or daily plus GP7 plus lowercase golden pocket. This is a good area of confluence here. And then if we take the highs here, I mean, you could look for SFPs, but I would, if we take these highs, I would want to come up and take this high as well. So above us, more macro-ly. Actually, I have it somewhere already. Yeah. Right above us, right above this range, we front ran the golden pocket. So you could already say SFP. Macro SFP and like giga macro golden pocket. So we can look for a trade somewhere. I mean, really, it's a huge range, but somewhere in this entire box. These are the trades right now for Bitcoin that I am interested in. So now let's make it nice and dandy and build our narrative and catch up to my percentages that are going down. But this is what I would be looking for. Let's hide some lines. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. This fib we don't need. This fib we don't need. This range we can extend. I'm gonna check your comments in just a second, guys. Okay. Oh, you guys know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Oh, there's also value area high. So this is a really good confluence zone right here. But guys, you know, midday, midstream, we always do this. Always. It's party time, baby. The shades are coming on. Good for you.
He's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know that it's just like you feel? But does he know your heart? Does he know you
Okay.
cry? Oh, tell me, does he know?
One day, One day we will be in a trade. One day we will be in a trade where that song comes on exactly when the pump or dump, depending on whatever position we're in, happens, and we're gonna turn up so hard. And I'm gonna have my standing desk, and I'm gonna have my treadmill, and it's gonna be fire. Glenn, I'm gonna make you a mod for YouTube as well. Okay. This is what we're looking at, right? We have our zones. Range zones, let's hide them. How did this one not get in there? Where is this one? Obviously, as you guys can see, I need to clean this up a little bit. Okay, now, based on our range zones, let us find some order blocks. This can go in the ranges. Did I just move this a little bit? Okay. Now I can hide that. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. Turn up my mic. Tripping balls. Later, man. Okay. Let's find order blocks now. Let's start on the 1. Let us find some order blocks. I don't like that one. Don't like that. Boom. That is what you call confluence, boy. So I already favored the lower one, but as opposed to the higher one. But now I favor the lower one even more. So we're gonna set an alert here. Right. Let's keep looking. What else we got? No, I don't like that. Okay, this adds confluence with our order block. And here we're going to write 2OB, baby. 2OB right there. Okay. This is what we're looking at right now. Good zone. Very strong zone here. Very strong. Let's lower this a little bit. Okay. I think that's good. Let's check if we have any 15s. Nah. Okay, last zone. 10-minute OB right there. So right here, the low of this range, I'm very heavily going to start looking for shorts right at this zone. Very, very heavily. Okay? Very heavily. The video on how to do order blocks, I'm gonna do a I'm doing a boot camp next week, so join the Discord so you can get more info on the boot camp, and you'll hear about it. But here's where I'm looking for shorts. Primarily, if you want to write it down, 34.5 to 34.6, or let's say 34.5 to 34.7. Let me just like monitor my positions real quick, because we're moving, man. We are moving, but I'm looking to come up here. And we're moving in the direction that we don't want to move in. They're snaking us. They are snaking us, man. They're snaking us hard. Okay, we're gonna I gotta check what's going on here. Okay, but this is our first strong zone. This one I don't really care too much about right now. It's possible that we break these order blocks and come up here, but as of now, I mean, I'm way more interested here than I am in the other one. Everything else, I gotta zoom in now. I gotta zoom in and we gotta see what's going on because I'm doing macro TA. I don't even see what's happening. So we had a bull div on the 6. Man. Or on the 5. Okay, we might have to take profit. I don't want to... I already took profit. My stop loss is already at the entry. But I got to see what's going on more immediately here. Let's hide our Bollinger Bands. We don't need them. We'll see what happens at these highs. Guys, this is why it's very important to take profit. And then put your stop loss at entry. Okay, I'm going to read some comments. Please tell you how to control position size, sir. Like, you know, overall move that if it's going to dump, then you need to go watch my risk management video. Go watch my risk management video. Guys, this 5698 is your VIP code. 5698. Yeah, man, it's just a matter of watching my risk management video. And it's there. I can link it for you here. Guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, please do me a favor, hit the like button. If you're getting some spicy action. So if you come to my YouTube, I'm gonna link it anyway, but you come into my YouTube, risk management. Right here. I'll pin it for you guys. Right there. Man, I can't pin it until somebody messages after me because the heart is like in the way. So stupid. Anyway, go watch that video. It'll teach you how to do what you're describing. Here's your pinned message. Okay. And guys, answer the poll as well if you have not already done so. Okay, let me read some more comments. So GP7 is a box between Golden Pocket and 786. Correct. But I find Confluence and I narrow it down. I don't just do that and then like kind of YOLO it. I watch Market Cipher when I get there. And then I watch Market Structure when I get there as well. So drop to 33.4, then back up. That's what I would like to see, but I don't know. Right now, as of now, it's looking like we might come up first, take the high, and then come back down. I don't know. But we have a plan in advance, and we know what we're looking for, and that's it. You know, that's how we do it. That's how we roll. Okay, W. You guys better watch yourselves. Yes, sir. Glenn with the power here. What do I use to find order blocks? To answer that already, we're gonna do a boot camp. Make sure you join the Discord, and you'll get details today on the boot camp that will take place next week. Head and shoulders on Bitcoin right now. Do we have a head and shoulders? Is it on the higher term time frame? I wouldn't say it is a head and shoulders because technically, like, this is a higher high than this is, right? Head and shoulders would be like this, or it would be like this, but we have this high, so I wouldn't call it a head and shoulders. Not that I use head and shoulders anyway, but you know, it is what it is. Unless you were referring to like this time frame, which still I don't really see it. Right? I don't really see it. Okay, God, chill out with the caps. You got risk management. You want to add emojis and bots, make you a mod? Bro, I don't know what that means, my friend. I don't know, man. I just work here, okay? Drew, what's up, man? How you doing? Great info. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Guys, this is what I do on a daily basis. This is how I build my narrative, you know? This is what I do. I add Market Cipher in with key levels, with vector candles, liquidity, and market psychology, and that's really all it is. That is all it is. Sol had some interesting moves today, up and down. I mean, we're kind of just ranging. The whole market's kind of just doing nothing. I still favor lower, man. I want to come down, though. I want to come down. Yes, guys, please do me a favor. Like the stream if you haven't done it already. We got 65 people in here. A total of 200 views already. Guys, listen, I can't even tell you, man. I started this whole thing like maybe 5 months ago. And to be where I'm at in such a short time, I'm so grateful for y'all. So I appreciate you guys. You guys made trading a lot more fun for me, because I used to do this on my own. And it's more fun being right with everybody. So, like, big ups to all of you guys as well. Not just me. A 15-minute falling wedge? I don't know, man. I don't trade, like, shapes and stuff. I follow the money. I don't follow, like, geometry shapes. I don't even know how to, like, draw it. Like, is this how you draw it? I literally don't know. I'm not even joking. I have no clue on how to draw it. Guys, ask me some questions, whatever you guys are thinking. I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick, or sorry, restroom for you Americans. And I gotta empty the tank real quick, so give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back. And but ask me some questions in the chat and leave me some random emojis if I've given you guys some, as Tino would say, flavor. All right, I'll be back. All right, we are back, baby. All right, man, you are giving us much. Wait, what? Man, you are giving so much to us. Yes, man, I give it all for free. All I ask is that y'all like the stream, and I appreciate that. All right, how do I prioritize hidden divs? What is my logic? Oh yeah, right. Okay. Hidden divs. Hidden divs for me, I prefer on the higher term time frames. Okay. Man, look how ugly this is. So ugly. Like, Bitcoin wants to go down and ETH wants to go down, and it's just not. Anyway. I like hidden divs on the higher term time frames. And I'll tell you why. I like it because when you have a hidden divergence on the like, for example, 4-hour time frame. Like, let's say this wave comes all the way down. Let me use a clean chart. Let's just say Bitcoin, or the 4-hour, comes all the way down here, right? But price does not come lower than here. Like, let's say we do something like this, which is possible, guys. Screenshot this, because it might happen. At the point where we're around here, you will start to see regular bullish divergences on the 1 hour. So you can use the confluence of the hidden bull div on the higher term time frame with the regular bull divs on the smaller term time frames. That's why I prefer using it on the higher term time frames. Because when you're trading, Toronto girls are crazy. I'm going to come back to that comment. When you're trading, you got to look to the left and to the right of your time frames as well. And when you have a hidden bull div or a hidden bear div, you want to come to the smaller term time frames and try to find any regular divergences. That's kind of the best answer I have. Music is a tad bit loud. Okay, should be better now. All right. Bro, K-Pax once told me he only trades New York Open, and that's more than enough. I feel like having to watch the price all day. I agree, man. I agree. So we talk about the Brinks box all the time. The Brinks box is your fake out play of the day. And today, and I said it in the Discord, guys. Look, if you don't know what the Brinks box is, if you don't know what the Brinks box is, go check my video on that. But I said, where is it? Oh wow, everybody said bless you. Thanks, guys. I sent a voice note today where I sneezed. Anyway, why am I doing this when I can just search it? So today at 8:54, I said this move stinks of Brinks box. And we know that the Brinks box, so 8:54, give or take, was right there, right? And we know that the Brinks box, in theory, is a fake out during New York Open, a little bit before, during, or a little bit after, but it's our fake out. And then typically we move away from our fake out. So for example, if this Brinks box plays out, we have our fake out to the upside, then we get the hell out of the range, and then we don't come back to tap that fake out zone again. So it's possible that this was the Brinks box, and I said at 8:54 that this smells like a Brinks box, and it's because we seemingly got this move out of nowhere, right? Like, based on the 5, we didn't really have any, like, gas, really. Like, we were in red money flow still. If we had money flow increasing and we only came up this much, or let me see if I can find a better example. Like, we didn't really come up all, like, this move from here to here, 0.74%, and then from here to here is greater. So if in green money flow, right, in green money flow, we didn't come up that much, why did we all of a sudden with red money flow come up, which seemingly felt like out of nowhere? And you can see that it kind of is playing out, right? We had the fake out to the upside, we came down, perhaps we come back up one more time to retest it, and then we continue to move down. I don't know. But the theory that K-Pax was saying, and like, you could just make 1 or 2 trades, especially during New York Open, during the Brinks box, it's true, and the Brinks box happens all the time. The Brinks box plays. That's what we look for every morning. We look for the Brinks box play. Now, in this case, we're just consolidating, and it's boring. And Bitcoin is not doing what I want it to do. It's misbehaving again. But the idea is still, it still remains. The code for today is 5698. Might just put the house on XRP. I will also put the house on XRP. And if you join the VIP Discord, I will tell you when to put the house on it. Or I will tell you when I will put the house on it. Let's just say that. Toronto girls are crazy. Yeah, man. Toronto girls are stuck up. They're conceited. They think they're anything. They think, like, because the biggest artist in the world, Drake, is from here, that they're anything. Like, in my opinion, like, no thank you. I'm not a big fan of Toronto girls. I'm not a big fan of Toronto in general. I don't even say Toronto. I say Toronto because I don't want people to think that I'm from here. Shouts out to Conrad. Thank you, man, for everything. You're very welcome, man, for everything. Oh, Awandi. What's up, bruv? How are you? Man, it's been a long time. You're not in the Discord these days. You only pop in when there's big fights, which I'm kind of upset about Islam versus Volk. I wanted Volk to win. Geobot is down, FYI. Yeah, Geobot's down while I'm streaming, but Geobot will come back up when when after the stream. Other girls are crazy. That's very true, man. Very true. I mean, Toronto girls, like, I'm just exposed to them because I'm here. But, like, women are women. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say without getting canceled. Women are women. Man, I'm so excited for my desk and my treadmill. Let me check when my treadmill's coming. Man, Bitcoin is so boring in this range, guys. So boring. I want to see some juice. Yeah, guys, the bot is down until after the stream. The bot will come. He's charging right now. Let him charge. Busy with work. I feel you, man. Have I seen the girl from the clip on YouTube? Toronto has the worst accent ever. Yo, don't even get me started on that. It's gym time soon, bro. Very soon. Let me log in on your main. Yes, sir. I appreciate that. When naked stream. Once I get back in shape, because the past couple months I've been, I mean, I'm getting back into it. I've gotten back into it, but I need, like, give me like a month. Give me 1 month and I'll be juiced again. Not literally, I don't do that, but y'all know what I'm saying. Okay, let me track where my treadmill is at. Where my treadmill at? Can I check Pepe? Yes, I will. Pepe coin. So, I kind of like Pepe. Pepe? I don't even know how to say that. 1 second. Why is my phone, bro? Come on. What are you doing? Let me track my treadmill here. Oh, it's out for delivery. Wow, I might get here any second. Beautiful. Okay. I kind of like Pepe because when Bitcoin moves, Pepe follows, but Pepe moves a lot more than Bitcoin moves, right? Take a look. I mean, kind of similar situation. Let's do TA on Pepe real quick. We got our right, that's our range. That is our range on Mr. Pepe. Get our fixed range out. You know what? I'll include this. Why not? That's our range. We can include that. No problem. Let's get our fixed range out. But yeah, the thing with Pepe is, like, you know, we're on the 12. We're coming to Bitcoin. The move that Bitcoin gets, right? 4%. The move that Pepe gets. Just saying. Just saying. So Pepe's interesting. But also it goes the other way, right? Pepe's down 7% today. Anyways. Let me just check my positions real quick. Man, I'm short on Trib or Turb or whatever. 300% on that. Shorted Ajax earlier today. Anyway, let's see. Let's find some levels on Pepe. We're probably in the golden pocket right now. Yeah, we're in a golden pocket 786. Man, to be honest, guys, because Bitcoin dominance is so high and rising, everything will follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, everything else will dump. If Bitcoin pumps, everything else will pump. Right now, I'm not really looking for longs, I think, until we break the range low. We could look for shorts in this little box right here. Right, this is our golden pocket, 786. I'm not going to do a full TA on this because I don't really trade shite coins like that. But just on first glance, I would look to short. Let's see. I would honestly probably look to short. Now, this is not confluence with our box. I don't know if we make it up there. I would probably look for an SFP of this high. If we don't SFP this high, we're probably going to come up to this box. Or we might SFP that high. The thing with Pepe, man, it's hard because, like I said, it moves so quick. But right off the bat, that's what I would probably look at. You know what? Let's set an alert here. Oh, I have too many alerts. That's no good. Okay, I guess I gotta upgrade my my trading view. But yeah, I mean, I would look for shorts. Or sorry, I would look for longs if we take the low, which again, just like Bitcoin, I do think we're gonna come to. If we SFP this low, we're probably going to come to at least here, because we have a fair value gap right here. So this is a fair value gap. If we take the low, we're probably going to fill this fair value gap. So here's where we could look for our SFP. Right? Fair value gap. You know what? Let's actually change our fair value gap color to yellow. Yeah, let's do that. But I would look for longs down here. I would look for longs down here. If we make it down there. Let me see if we have any order blocks. Man, we made this move so fast. Only this would be only traded as an SFP. It would have to be an SFP. Oh, we also have a very big fair value gap on the. Let me just check. I don't really like using the 12 and the 10 for that kind of stuff. Nah, I would look for an SFP down here. But I mean, Pepe's gonna follow. It's just gonna follow Bitcoin. So it all just comes down to what happens in this range. If we break the range high, we're probably coming to these highs. If we break the range low, we're gonna probably SFP the low. And it's just taking so long. But we can't really do anything more than, you know, say if this happens, then we'll do this. If this happens, then we'll do that. We kind of just gotta wait. This range sucks right now. It's annoying. On a different device. Yes, sir. Also, Geo, on XRP from right now, the previous all-time high is like 1.1k% up. Yep. What made me short Trib or whatever? Yeah. Adam is laughing. I don't know how to call it. Like, I actually don't know. Let's check it. It's a good question. I don't remember why I shorted it. Ah, there we are. Let's check it though. Where am I even short from? Let me see. If I told you this was only gonna hurt. So I'm short from 117,886. 117,886. So I'm short from there. Let's see why I shorted. I believe I shorted from here. This is why I shorted. This SFP. Right? Classic SFP. Came up, took the high with money flow and momentum waves coming down. Very easy. Or not SFP, but double top. Came up to recover this red vector. Easy play. Shorted it down. Super easy. Super easy. Could have gotten in here as well. Right? We just had momentum coming down. Very easy. And we were at the highs. It's hard for me to take you through because I actually don't remember exactly where I entered. Like, I don't know if I got in from up here or if I got in from here. No, here I was already in. I don't really know. It was a few days ago, right? October 25th, and today is 27, so a couple days ago. TRB sounds better. Yeah, Trib sounds like something that you'll see on a website that I can't say here. On Bybit, it's crazy. It's crazy easy to catch these tokens just as they get listed. Yeah, maybe. I found one today, didn't catch this, up like 120%. Man, for me, I don't touch those coins personally. Right? I don't. Because I need liquidity. Like, I can't trade without liquidity. By the way, somebody asked way earlier, and I'm so sorry that I forgot, but yes, you can apply the same concept on Forex. I'm actually looking to start trading Forex. Guys, by the way, if you need an exchange to trade on, MEXC is the cheapest exchange. By the way, you guys like that transition? MEXC is the cheapest exchange when it comes to fees. And if you're scalping the way that I scalp, MEXC is your key. Now, it's very, very cheap. 0.01% taker fee. 0.00% maker fee. So it's literally free if you're a market maker, aka limit orders as opposed to market orders. And of course, I get to kick off. You don't pay anything additional. So, and it helps support me for free. The free way to help support me. So, if you decide you want to do so, and you want to sign up with my handsome face right over there, of course, I appreciate the link is down in the description down below. Okay, man, Bitcoin is doing nothing, bro. Come on. Do something for me, baby. First girl I was with. Are you using Market Cipher A? Not really. I use it sometimes. I'll make a video on Market Cipher A. My next 2 videos are gonna be Market Cipher videos. So if you're on the edge about Market Cipher, I also have referral links for that. But perhaps I will help you get over the edge if you're on the edge about it. I only throw a small amount on them. Yeah, I know. But I will say this in regards to Market Cipher, guys. So I have a premium, a VIP Discord for those who may not know, where I give you guys my levels in advance for free. And all you have to do is DM my bot, the 4-digit code, whatever. But if you purchase Market Cipher for life with my affiliate link and you DM me the invoice on Discord, then I will give you 1 year free of my VIP Discord, where you don't need to send any codes, right? And I purge you guys every day, so if you're thinking about it, perhaps that will help you get over the hump. Was about to ask if I've ever thought about trading Forex. I want to trade Forex. I probably will soon. Soon. Nakamoto Games, Crazy Pumps. Yeah, come and join the Discord, and if you're not already, and talk to these other guys about those coins, because I have literally no idea. No clue. Take a peek at the LGBT one. LQTY. Guys, it's probably the last coin I'm going to do, and then I'm going to build my standing desk because I'm tired of sitting. Oof. This sucks. I mean, this is just follow market structure. This looks like it can keep dropping. You know what? Where can we fall to? We're probably going to recover this full vector. I don't see why we wouldn't, just on first glance. Yeah, we're probably going to recover that full vector. For me, or not for me, I guess for us, Glenn, what I would do. Let's see if we can expand it a little bit. No. Yeah. I mean, we came close enough to the order block. We may bounce from here. We might. I don't know. It's going to obviously depend on Bitcoin. But if we fall more into this demand zone, then I would look to long it. Especially because the 4-hour is... not the 4-hour. Which time frame was I on? 2 hour? 2 hours is giving us a potential hidden bullish divergence. And what do we say? So if we see hidden bull divs on the 2 hour, like if we come down a little bit lower and we don't take like this low, for example, we have hidden bull divs on the 2 hour. So we can start looking for divs on like the 30 and the 15 or whatever. And right now we are actually primed to do that. So if we come down a little bit more, we could get a div on the 15 and then we could confirm the 2 hour hidden bull div and then send it up, you know? You should have Miss Teen Crypto on live. She has a similar amount of followers. I don't know who that is, but if you let me know later in the Discord, I can look her up. What is it? Miss Teen Crypto? Is she cute? How old is this chick? 20? 20 years old. Interesting. She has more followers than I do. Why am I all giddy now? Man, you see the effect that women have on men? Bro. Just watch her streams. Want to see that child so bad. She doesn't even ever do TA. You know what? Maybe I'll have her on the channel. I'll check her out. Crazy, man. Honestly, like... We're gonna X-nay that. Peace out, Teen Crypto. Catfish Crypto, you're not even a teen. Oh man, that was embarrassing. I hope nobody clips that and sends it to her. Guys, I have my standing desk right beside me. I don't think y'all understand. That's all me. Let's say I have a type. My type is money. My type is discipline. She had Crypto Gace. Yeah, I don't know who that is. Or Jace. I don't know who that is anyway either. When collab? On stream or in real life? 4.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and ETH options expired today. Yo, legit, she just talks about news. Well, maybe she can come and be our news anchor alongside you. She can be your co-anchor. Your co-news anchor. Because y'all know, if anyone knows, Hoser knows that I know nothing about news. IDGAF, bro. I don't care. I trade the charts. Which, speaking of charts, is this gonna do anything anytime today? Why are my streams so anticlimactic? Oh, you mean Crypto Face? Wait, hold on. Let me find that comment. Wait, she has Crypto Face on? Is that what you were saying? Let me go back and find that comment. Oh, wow, Crypto Face. Yeah, that's funny. Crypto Jace. Wait, how did she manage to get that? I mean, she has way more followers than I do. I'll say that. So if she wants to have Jorge on, aka me, I'm for it. Oh wow, she did have Crypto Face on. Interesting. Very interesting.
Your local farmers market honey, you know, can help keep the doctor away. And there's just too though.
His friends
you've seen
do
that, right?
Yeah, his friends put up the channel for him, and he doesn't film or edit, but they just follow him around basically. It's just
Is this her screen or his screen?
So let me kind of. Yeah. I haven't. I've only seen the Peter Santinelli.
What's the position size? Close amount 94 Bitcoin. Okay, this is definitely his. This is definitely his screen. Yeah.
You know, sell it now.
You know what? I'm gonna reach out to Crypto Face. I think I'm gonna reach out to him. Not yet. I'm gonna reach out to Crypto Face. And you know what? I'm gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit. My next two videos are going to revolutionize the way that you use Market Cipher B. And then I'm gonna send those videos. Actually, no, I'm not even gonna send it. I'm gonna get all of you guys to send it to him. And then he's gonna put my tutorial up on his website. And thank you. And please, by the way. Bro, it's a bunch of crypto that I've never seen a grow before. Yeah, man. All the crypto nerds and like the what is it called? Blockchain layer 2 solution, layer 3, whatever it is. Oh, it's Bitcoin halving, like Bitcoin halving. Like, shut up, man. Just trade the damn thing. That's it. Who cares about the Bitcoin halving? Who cares about the ETF? And I mean, well, that will bring money in. But my point is, like, man, who cares, bro? The charts are always gonna have it set up anyway. She pop up when she got on BitBoy's channel. If BitBoy offered me on his channel, I honest to God don't know if I would say yes. I'm not even joking. Honestly don't know. Perhaps I would, because it would be good for me and it would be a bad business move for me not to. Oh, this is a good song. Hold on. Nah. I don't want you guys to spam his stream, but I will tell you when I do want you to, and it's coming. So, it's coming. You guys will find out soon enough, and I'll tell you when it's coming. Hey, bro, I follow you from France. If I come here, then I'll introduce you to some chicks better than Toronto girl. I appreciate it, man. I might take you up on that offer. I like French girls, and French girls like me, so what's up with it? Geo dude, yes sir. What's up, Geo dudes and Geo dudettes? You guys like my stream voice where I go, hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the show. Welcome to the Geo dudes. Guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join the Discord. Guys, watch this transition. Like, I'm so good at this. I must be the best streamer in the world. Wait till y'all see my outro video in a couple minutes here. One more time. How to save a life. Let 'em know that you know best. Guys, it's your host, Mr. Geo in the flesh. This is the #1 crypto streaming music channel on the planet. We're schlong, baby. We're schlong. We're trading all day, all night. We're updating in the Discord. Oh, my voice. You thought BitBoy was in jail? I'll tell you where BitBoy... I'm not going to say that. That's mean. No, he's not in jail. He has his own channel now. I was going to say something that I can't say now. He's been begging his followers for money to get his Lambo. Has he been doing that? Man, that's news. I don't know anything about news. I literally don't know. We need a Geo dance as an emote in the server. I agree. I don't know how to do that. Somebody do that for me, please. Listen to Dak or else he'll boot you. Oh, Dak, I'm going to make you a mod also. Ah, my throat. Litecoin long zone still the same. Let's check it out. Let's check her out, boy. Check her out, boy. Well, we are in this box that I guess drew yesterday. Man, if I caught this trade, man, I goofed. As of now, this zone has been mitigated. I don't know if we're gonna come back. Man, it's all gonna depend on Bitcoin right now, guys. All gonna depend on Bitcoin. But we could come down there. We could come down here. If this box doesn't hold, then we look down here. Depends on what Bitcoin does. These are your two zones for Litecoin. BitBoy launched his indicator. Interesting. What is his indicator? I didn't even know he had one. You are doing some fantastic work. Thanks for that. I appreciate it, Damien. Thank you very much for that comment. Appreciate the feedback. I think he treated his guests like whatever. He always was real snarky to Frankie Candles. You know, I've only actually just recently been aware of Frankie Candles. I don't watch other YouTubers, guys. I don't. The only two YouTubers that I watch that I trust are JC and Tino. That's why I don't know this chick, crypto teenager, catfish. And man, I don't follow them. I don't know. I don't watch Frankie Candles either, though. Move going to happen at New York close or daily close? Potentially, man. Potentially. It's been so long, though. I'm going to tell you. Man. I hope it happens soon, guys. My ears are getting hot and sweaty. Like, I'm going to need to get off stream soon. So do something, boy. Take me back to a place where we belong. I want to just take this slow. It's not that hard. Plus, if Bitcoin does something, then my alerts will go off, and then I can use my alerts other places. But no! My name is Bitcoin. I don't want to behave. GR banging. Shouts out to you. I don't know what you're saying. Should we try to Google Translate that? Let's Google Translate it. Imagine it's like the most oh, whoops. Yo, why does my Google, does your Google do that thing? Why does it do that? Brother awesome. Thank you, man. Brother awesome to you too. I knew it said that. That was my first guess. Hi boss, what do I think about 4-hour options expiry tonight? Honestly, man, I'm gonna be super honest with you. I literally have no idea. No clue. Can't lie. Cannot lie to you. I have no idea. I don't even know like one thing I can say about the options expiring today. I am the wrong person to ask. All these influences are connected. You're about to be in the mix with them, Geos. They're about to be in the mix with me, boy. I appreciate it though, man. For real, guys, I said this and I'm very humbled to be where I'm at right now. My growth has been going pretty high lately, and I'm very grateful for it. And it's just you guys have made trading a lot more fun. So again, cheers to all of you. Shouts out to all of you. I appreciate it. And I'm not just talking shite, you know, from the bottom of my heart. Y'all make this so much more fun. Because if you guys suck, then I wouldn't do this. But y'all are fun, and you make me want to keep doing it. So shouts out to all of you guys. Actually, you know what? Let's get some random emojis in the chat for you. Not for me. For you guys. I want to see some random emojis. Thank you, guys. But, guys, after we can see some random emojis in the chat, and again, I cannot stress it enough. I'm very humbled to be where I'm at right now. And y'all supporting me and all that. Like, it's a dream come true right now for me. I'm going to keep going. We're going to keep hammering it as much as we can. So let's see those random emojis for you guys. Kind of like a pat on the shoulder for y'all. And then we're going to end the stream. And we're going to perhaps take the stream over to the Discord. Best trading community for real. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. You need to get on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and IG Reels. I know, man. I know. I will, man. I promise I will. I need to find a good format for those. I finally got like a good groove with YouTube. But you're not wrong. I need to absolutely do that. I need to do that. All right, guys. Last time, the VIP code. 5698. When Mr. Geopod wakes from his slumber, you'll be able to send the VIP code to him for access to my Discord. And then I'm going to drop a fire Market Cipher video for you guys. As I record it, standing up, because I'm going to spend the time now. I'm going to build my desk. I'm going to hit the gym. And then, you know, we're going to bang out some content for y'all. After party, yes sir. To be honest, Glenn, what's probably gonna happen is I'm gonna get off, and then the market's gonna start doing stuff, and then I'm gonna have to jump back on real quick, because obviously Steve is watching the stream and doesn't want to give me any views. Doesn't want to get me any views. All right, guys, I think that's it for the stream, though. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that came out. Thank you very much for spending this time with me. And I want y'all to watch this, okay? Because since I claimed myself, self-diagnosed as the #1 crypto music trader on the planet, thank you very much. Humbly, of course. I want y'all to check what I did, okay? Watch, please stay till the end, okay? Watch the what is it called? The outro, okay? I worked hard on this. Watch this, check this out, hold on. Check this out. Thank you guys, appreciate y'all. Just some random emojis in the chat. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Watch this, watch this. Watch this, watch this. Lower the volume here, watch this, ready?
Set my heart on fire.